Welcome to our review of the Rhythm Fun Folding Treadmill. Watch till the end to know our final verdict on whether it's worth the purchase. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. The Rhythm Fun Folding T Treadmill is a reliable model designed to support your fitness journey, featuring top-notch elements that distinguish it from competitors. One notable feature is the qualitative handrail, which enhances balance during workout sessions. What we like: the treadmill comes in a compact size, is affordable, user-friendly, moves smoothly, and operates quietly. What we didn't like: it lacks an incline feature. The treadmill boasts a wide running belt, providing comfort and safety, and is constructed from durable material. Its powerful motor stands out, making it easy to control at various speeds and ensuring stability even during sudden speed changes. It's also energy efficient, preventing high electricity bills. A unique smart speed sensor light enhances safety and excitement by changing color with speed adjustments. The treadmill's super slim design contributes to a smooth workout experience and boosts safety. The elastic, 7-level silicone running platform is durable, shockproof, and skid-resistant. The treadmill can be connected to a smart workout app for monitoring data like distance, speed, calories, and time, and it includes a remote control for easy operation. Verdict: the Rhythm Fun Folding Treadmill is an ideal option due to its powerful motor, slim design, safety features, and wide running belt. It's best suited for runners seeking a space-saving and affordable under-desk treadmill. Alternatives include the Go Youth 2-in-1 walking pad and the AA1 Pro Smart May portable treadmill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Let us know which other treadmill you'd like us to review next.